All right, Haley Wooden is with us from Business in Vancouver. You think there should be more than that from, if you read into this story, you think there has to be criminal charges somewhere along the line, because this is quite the story, Haley. Okay, let's talk about some other things, including BlackBerry. What's going on with BlackBerry? They made a major decision this morning.
The company did. So they finally announced that they'll be outsourcing the manufacturing of their hardware and instead focusing on software development. It is big news, as you say, Steve, but really does come as no surprise. BlackBerry has been hinting at making such a move for quite some time. And when we look at their second quarter results for their fiscal year, the numbers really reflect why they're heading in a new direction. Revenue was 31.8% lower on a year-over-year basis, falling at $334 million U.S. The company also posting a net loss of $372 million U.S., which equals a loss of around 71 cents per share. Now, according to BlackBerry CEO John Chen, when we look at software revenue only, that actually more than doubled in the second quarter of this year compared to last year. So again, you can see why they're pivoting a little bit. It certainly is a new era for BlackBerry. They announced a new deal with one of Indonesia's largest telecom companies to market BlackBerry branded smartphones to that market. This will be one to watch and see if they can turn the trend around a little bit and start posting some gains year over year.
All right, we'll follow BlackBerry story as we have for the past 10, 12 years or so. Let's talk about Peekaboo Beans. Parents will know this store, of course, and they're about to make a major announcement as well as they're heading to a stock exchange.
They are. So this is the Richmond-based retailer. They focus on ethically made quality clothing for infants as well as kids up to the age of 10. They've been around for about a decade, and today they will be listing on the TSX Venture Exchange. Now, unlike Aritzia, which is coming out with a big IPO, Peekaboo Beans is listing through a reverse takeover, which is a way for a smaller company like this to go public. And in chatting with their CEO, one of the big reasons for this is to allow Peekaboo Beans sales reps to buy a piece of the company. They're a small company when you look at how many they employ in their headquarter offices, but across the country they have nearly 1,000 sales reps selling their clothing.
All right, well, good for them. Okay, at 6:46, we'll follow them and see how they do. It's always good to have a good BC retailer, of course. Haley, thank you very much.
Thanks, Steve.
All right, BIV.com if you want some more news on that.